From the streets to the show stages, here's a parade of classic hot rods that are both eye-catching and adrenaline-pumping. Starting with a 1933 Ford three-window coupe in California, decked out in red with a 355 Ci Chevy engine. Ready to go. There's also a 1933 Ford Cabriolet in Vegas, a $126,000 creation with a 5.7 LLS engine. Want something more authentic? A 1932 Ford Deluxe made from Henry Ford's original steel with a rare flathead engine. A 1932 Roadster Missouri is a show-stopping black and red-hot rod, ready for show or cruising. In Ohio, a 1930 Plymouth Coupe with a modern Hemi, pre-war look, post-war power. The oddball? A 1932 Roadster in New York, lightweight, jet black, and brutal on the road. There's also a 1933 Ford Roadster with an 865 Ci supercharged engine ready to tear up the asphalt. And in Arizona, an authentic 1932 Auburn Bowtail Speedster rebodied by Glenn Prey. A rare creation, more than just a car, but a living legend. Still hungry for speed and classic style? Check this one out. A 1932 Ford Coupe in Ohio with an LS3 V8 and Holley digital controls. Modern, fast, and comfortable. Then there's a 1948 Ford Coupe in Montana, 100% Ford from end to end, with a 302 Ci, small block, and Popeye touches on the body. A 1934 Ford Roadster from California with a classic Hemi under a real steel body, ready to steal hearts. Want something light and wild? A 1926 Ford T Roadster in LA is bright red, all steel, and ready to go, not just show. From Missouri, there's a 1932 Ford five-window coupe with triple carburetors and classic patina. Then there's a 1934 Roadster with a super rare adventurer intake, ready to trade in for a C8 Corvette. Finally, a 1938 Chrysler Royal, a labor of love that's been around for years with a 440 big block, pearl white paint, and an air ride suspension. This isn't just a car. It's a legacy built with soul.